Hi, I'm Jacob.
And I'm Julia.
Welcome to Nocatee.
Nocatee was built within wetlands, marshes, and wooded areas, just 3 miles from the ocean. Biodiversity means many different living things in one area, and they all live and work together.
You might see white-tailed deer, armadillos, foxes, raccoons, wild boar, otters, birds, frogs, lizards, alligators, and snakes.
Most snakes here are harmless, like black vases, garden snakes, and banded water snakes. And some are venomous, like cottonmouths and pygmy rattlesnakes. The baby pygmy rattlesnakes are tiny. They are the size of a quarter cut up.
Snakes are scared of people and will try to move away. Back away slowly and give them space to escape. Always pay attention where you're walking and look ahead. Always wear closed-toed shoes. Crocs don't count. Always keep your dog on a short leash so they don't run into tall grass or disturb wildlife. Wildlife is an important part of Nocatee. By respecting animals and following simple safety tips, we can all enjoy nature together for a long, long time. For more information about our local wildlife, visit www.nocateenativeneighbors.com.
Bye! Thanks for watching!